Today we'll talk about how can you face this problem on your train lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for train lineup or just click on search. Then here at try lineup, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for trial lineup. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.